just a really quick video today to show you how to get REPO for free, or R.E.P.O. This is a game on Steam that's really highly rated. You see it's rated 10 out of 10, guys, and it's a little bit expensive for what it is, I guess. It doesn't cost you loads of money. You can see it's $9.99 or $10 US. I'm going to show you how to get R.E.P.O for free, and you can do this to get a digital game code and you can redeem it in the Steam store, and it's going to get you the game for free. So it only takes a few minutes, guys, to go ahead and do this. You need to use a mobile phone. As you can see, I've opened up the internet on my iPhone, and I'm going to go to this website, guys, www.coldcoupons.com. So just type that like this into the internet browser on your phone. Cold coupons. This is an awesome website, guys. I found them when I was searching for a method on how to do this, and they have lots of pages. They have a search bar at the top of the screen here, so I'm just going to search for R.E.P.O in there. And as you can see, guys, there is a couple of different options here, but you can get a R.E.P.O free game code, as you can see, guys, and there is tons of them left, and it's been used a ton of times. So if you can see, you've got to press this button here. It says get code, and it says free game. This is going to get you a free digital copy of R.E.P.O for PC or Steam. And as you can see, guys, your digital game code will need to be unlocked and fully revealed. So you can see it's checking that there are codes available for you, and then it's going to basically load up like this. And you can see, guys, your coupon code is ready. Your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So you've got to click on the button here, guys, that says get full code, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your digital game code. It will take you a few minutes, guys. Just follow the instructions. I had to complete a couple of these like free tasks, and once I did that, it revealed my code and I redeemed it in the Steam store, and that got me R.E.P.O for completely free. So you just got to go to coldcoupons.com and just find the R.E.P.O page by using that search bar at the top of the screen, and let me know what you think of the game, guys. It's pretty fun, but yeah, hope you found the video useful. Smash the like button, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.